In this short video, I want to teach you how to add page numbers to your books. In the past, it used to be very difficult to add page numbers to your books. In fact, I have a video where I taught how to add page numbers to your books when you design with Canva. You have to take it to a site called I Love PDF to add your page numbers. But now Canva has added inbuilt page number function or option to the website, which makes it very easy and everything looks sweet. Canva improves every day, and that is why I love using this app. So as you know, I like using the free version of Canva to explain everything I want to explain, so that you will know that almost everything that the paid can do, if you have a way to navigate Canva app, you'll be able to do it with the free. Maybe not as perfect as the pro version, but at least you achieve something great with the free version. Without wasting much time, let me show you how to add page numbers to your books on Canva. I'm going to open a coloring book that I've designed with this free version of Canva in the past. As you can see, I use Canva free version of Canva to design this coloring book. You see, this coloring book is very fine, and now I want to add page numbers to it. Normally a coloring book is not supposed to have page numbers, but because this is just a tutorial, I want to use this coloring book to show you how to add page numbers. So the first thing you want to do after you have finished writing your book or creating your book or designing your book, as the case may be, all you need to do is to click on text. Once you click on text, you scroll down and then you will see page numbers. You click on page numbers and page numbers will be automatically added to your book from beginning to the end. This is the page number. This is page 3. Go down, you see page 4, page 5, page 6, straight down like that. In the past, you will need to finish the book, download it as PDF, then take it to another website where you go and add page numbers to it. But now Canva now have it inbuilt on their platform, which is very sweet. In most cases, you shouldn't be adding page numbers to the first page of your book. So on the page 1, you just go to this part where it says show numbers. You click on it and then you remove page 1. You see page 1, you click it and then you have successfully removed page number from page 1. If you scroll down, you will see that it is only the page 1 that does not have page number. See, the page 2 has page number, page 3 has page number, page 4, 5 like that. If you also click this format up here, you will see numbers only. I only want numbers to show. That is why I have numbers only. I can decide to make it page plus numbers. If I click that, you can see that it's now showing page 1, page 2. It's now writing the word page 1, page 2, page 3. You can also decide to change that. Go to format and click page 1 of, like you want to say this is page 1 of series 1, or page 2 of series 2, or page 1 of part 1, or page 2 of part 1. This is how you are going to do it. As you can see, the page numbers have been added successfully. So once you finish adding your page numbers like this, you just click apply properties to all pages. That is if you want all the pages in your book to have numbers. But if you want selected pages not to have numbers, you just click here where it shows all pages, then you select the numbers that you don't want to have. As you can see, I've removed page number from number 1, 3 and 5, and I say done. You will see that page 1 does not have number, page 2 has, page 3 does not have number, page 4 has, page 5 does not have numbers. So this is how to successfully add page numbers to your books if you use Canva to create them easily. In my next Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add links to your books on Canva, or how to create table of content. Some people don't know that you can use Canva to create table of content. I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's very simple. I drop awesome videos, tips and tricks to help you scale online businesses and Amazon KDP especially. If you're interested in videos like this, like this video and hit the red subscribe button, then turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post great videos like this, YouTube will send you instant notification. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.